This video will demonstrate lock settings along with how to clear a paper jam and replace a cassette for the Tork Washstation Dispenser. Push button mode. The Tork Washstation Dispensers have two locking mechanism options. For maximum water resistance, the aqua and white dispenser have push button with rubber gasket operation. Simply push the button to open the dispenser. Close the dispenser cover firmly to re-engage the latch. Lock mode. In applications where a lock is required, the red and smoke Tork Washstation Dispenser has the same lock design as the Tork Elevation Dispenser line. The lock can be set as a key lock or push button as shown here. To set the key in push button mode, turn the key counterclockwise to align with the circle. Then remove the key and it will be in push button mode. Clear a paper jam. First push the push button at the bottom of the mechanism twice. If the roll doesn't feed with two pushes, open the dispenser and then the bottom of the mechanism as shown here and clear the paper jam. Then refeed the paper through the mechanism to put the dispenser back in service. Replacing cassette. If the Tork Washstation dispensing mechanism fails, you will not have to replace the dispenser. The Tork Washstation Dispenser is designed to be repaired in the field to ensure customers always have serviceable dispensers. If the mechanism is damaged and stops working, it's easy to replace using a Phillips head screwdriver. To replace the mechanism, you simply take out the two screws holding it in place, as shown. Replace the mechanism with the new one and replace the screws. Once that's complete, follow the loading instructions and the dispenser is back in service.